So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how I passed the phase 1 evaluation with Ftmo. And if you guys are struggling to do this yourself in the markets, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end and I'll show you exactly how you can do it with my own approach. Right guys, so going straight into it, we have our first trade on Euro USD. This was originally a loss. We did take some trades before this account, but I can't lie, it was up and down. So this is where things actually took a turn, okay? So basically what we were originally looking for was a retest of this level. Yes, we didn't form a lower high here. This is where we probably went wrong, but what I was actually looking for was the retest of here, okay? But what happened was obviously price accumulated here, and then we broke up here, and actually stopped me out with a big bullish candle. Okay, so that was fine. That was our first trade. Okay, so following from that Euro USD loss, we actually took a GBP USD long. So what I was basically looking for was this support zone created. Obviously price broke below this low, but I was just looking at this structure shift from up here from this support zone created. Okay, so we shifted up here and then we retested into this key level. I entered at this break of structure here, and then SL was just below the structure there. Okay, TP was originally up at this high, but price started depleting, so I took it out early for a 1.8R. So that had us up on the account because we profited about 3%, so we were up over that, or I think it was nearly 4% actually. And then following that, we took a GBP USD long, which also took a loss. The thing is with trading, it's very about risk rewards, okay? It doesn't matter how much you win, doesn't matter how much you lose. You just want to have a risk reward that aligns with your win rate, okay? With this, we had our GBP USD long. What I was looking for was this here, this support zone, and then we broke up here, breaking structure, and then I had SL below this little support zone. We did break the structure and then we sold off, stopping me out, but TP was originally at this resistance level. Actually, the resistance level we had before up here, and this trade obviously lost about 2%. So guys, on this next trade we took GBP USD longs, which profited us about 4%, we broke above this structure and came back and retested here. And this key level basically had a nice reaction. So I waited for a bullish impulse. Sorry, let's just replay it here. I waited for a bullish impulse, which was here after we found this low time frame support zone here. Obviously we did come back to retest it, but that doesn't matter because we had our SL below the support and structure. So we had TP up around this resistance zone up here, and then we took it out at a 1 to 2. Obviously we had a nice exit and this profited us about 4% on the account. This had us about 6% up in the account, so we're doing pretty good. Okay, what we did after this was capitalize on this bullish momentum continuing. We broke above here and then we broke above here, so we broke at this key level, and this is what we retested into. We had a nice bullish impulse here, and I entered on that low time frame breaker structure entry on this candle. We had SL below here at this structure point, and we had TP at resistance. Now this TP got hit during NFP, and that's fine. I was holding it to TP. You know, we were consolidating here. I wasn't exiting anytime soon. I'm not messing about. Obviously, trading news is risky, but you know, it's a challenge account, it's a demo account, you can do what you want. And with my back testing, you know, I've always held through news. Okay, so I know that it's tested in my strategy and it's fine for me to do in the live markets or demo. With NFP, obviously hit our TP, profiting us about 4.5% on our account, and this basically passed our account. And for those who may be doubting me, here's my certificate here. And yeah, so hopefully guys you found this video useful. This is my direct approach to trading Ftmo accounts. Risk 2% a trade, and aim for 1 to 2s and potentially 1 to 1s if price isn't going in my favor. You know, sometimes I trade 1 to 3s, even more, but it's a very rare occasion. Okay, and it's very conditional. But yeah, that's my approach to trading. You know, risk a bit more. It's just a demo account. What's the worst that can happen? You'll lose your challenge fee. But yeah, this is how we pass these accounts quickly. You don't want to be wasting your time on a demo account. At the end of the day, you want to be making money in the markets. This was good. We had a pretty good week. You know, I'm up 4% on another Ftmo account, which is in its phase 1. Obviously, we've received the phase 2 credentials for this, so we'll run that next week. I also got funded with another prop firm this week, but sadly, they have said that I've been committing KYC fraud, which hasn't been happening. But I'm not going to mention their name. They've given me my money back. It's very fair. It's a shame. you know, I don't really care about the money. It's just more my time that's been wasted. You know, these are issues that happen to traders. It's out of my control. I know that I've done everything right and everything aligns, but clearly something's gone wrong on their end, okay? But that's fine. But yeah, and also on top of that, I got an Ftmo withdrawal. And on top of that, I have 2 quant-technical payouts ready. But sadly, I've just found out that I have to repeat my trading cycle. So I'll be doing that next week as well, hopefully. So I've got to do 0.5 times 2 on 2 trading days, and then I'm eligible for payout. But that will be good if I get them. Hopefully you guys had a successful trading week too, and this video helped you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. That's what keeps the channel going, and I'm going to continue to get more content out of challenges and getting payouts, etc. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.